going to teach you 20 super useful English travel phrases that you need to know when you're traveling abroad. Whether you're asking for directions, ordering food, or checking into a hotel, these phrases will make your trip so much easier. Where is the restroom? Asking for the toilet. Excuse me, where is the restroom? How much is this? Asking the price. How much is this bag? I'd like to check in. Register at a hotel or airport. I'd like to check in, please. Can you help me? Asking for help. Can you help me with this? I don't understand. You don't get the meaning. Sorry, I don't understand. Do you speak English? Asking if someone knows English. Excuse me, do you speak English? I'm looking for this address. Searching for a place. I'm looking for this address. Could you please help me find it? How do I get there? Asking for directions. How do I get there from here? One ticket, please. Buying a ticket. One ticket to Paris, please. What time does it open? Asking opening time. What time does the museum open? Can I pay by card? Asking about card payments. Can I pay by card? I'd like to order. Ready to order food. I'd like to order, please. Is this included? Asking if something is part of the price. Is breakfast included? I need a taxi. Asking for a taxi. I need a taxi, please. How long does it take? Asking about time duration. How long does it take to get there? Can I have the menu? Asking for menu. Can I have the menu, please? I have a reservation. You booked before. I have a reservation under Samira. Is there Wi-Fi here? Asking about internet. Is there Wi-Fi here? That's too expensive. Price is high. Sorry, that's too expensive. Where's the baggage claim? Where can I pick up my suitcase? I just landed. Where is the baggage claim area?